Much like the argument for chivalry, I'm of the belief that hospitality is not dead.
In Season 2 of Food is Love, Danish-American master chef Lasse Sorensen continues his journey through the St. Louis food scene, one story at a time.
Oh boy, it's lasagna. Oh boy.
Do you want to go on a raid with me?
I'll jump right on in, man. Let's go.
But down here on the Keys, you have to actually get your own food, not in the supermarket, in the water.
I'd never get a good hamburger down here anyway, so when I get back to my own restaurants, I love having bison burgers.
The Izakaya Club, where, cowboy samurai, it's a little bit American, a little bit of Japanese.
People get together and have a good time.
So this is almost the epitome of food is love, right?
Exactly.
Hospitality is not dead. Isn't hospitality really just love?
More stories, more food, more love. Season 2 of Food is Love, coming this fall to 9PBS.